Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Stacy here, and as promised, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I do my green tea rinse to reduce hair loss and shedding. So I'm going to be using this pure green tea from India. You can always use any green tea you have available or even black tea, but I prefer green tea because my hair is low porosity, and for black tea the caffeine will be too much for my hair to handle. I'll go ahead and just measure 3 teaspoons of this tea and then pour in hot water into the cup and let it sit for about 5 minutes. So if you're wondering how this works, you should first of all know that one of the main causes of hair loss is a hormone called dihydrotestosterone, or simply DHT. This hormone causes the hair follicle to shrink, making it harder for the roots of the hair to remain healthy. So the caffeine in the tea helps to block the effect of DHT, thereby strengthening the hair, reduce shedding, and promoting hair growth. After letting the tea soak in for about 5 minutes, I'm going to take it out and then use my little strainer to strain it. And when I'm done, I'm going to take the liquid, that's the tea, and pour it into a spray bottle for easy application. So there we have it. Our tea is ready for application, and that's what I'm just going to do. Make sure you apply this on clean hair. So my hair is just freshly washed, and then I'm going to apply this, and you want to focus on your scalp. The tea might run through your hair, but it's okay because I follow this with a conditioner and then a deep conditioner. Thank you for watching. Bye bye, and I'll see you in my next one.